Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off of Square. Watch the video until the end to know how to do this. You can transfer money from your Square checking balance to your linked bank account through the Square Point of Sale app using these steps. Using the Square Point of Sale app. Open your Square Point of Sale app and log in. Navigate to the bottom of your home screen and tap the More icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Balance and then tap Transfer to Bank. Enter the transfer amount. Select a transfer speed, either instant transfer or next business day transfer. Tap Confirm Transfer, review the transfer details, and then tap Transfer Now. Using the online Square dashboard. Open your browser and go to squareup.com. The link is in the description. Log in and navigate to the top left corner of your home screen. Click the three horizontal lines and then click Balance. Click the Transfer Settings option and then click Transfer Instantly. Enter the transfer amount and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the transfer process. And there you have it. You can get money off of Square using these methods. Thanks for watching. Till next time.